Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nginx in Docker for local reverse proxy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Nginx in Docker for a local reverse proxy, ensure that you have Docker installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check if Docker is running by typing Docker version. If Docker is not installed, download and install it from the official Docker website. Once Docker is running, you can start by pulling the official Nginx image. Type docker pull Nginx in your terminal. Wait for the download to complete. Next, create a directory for your Nginx configuration files. You can use the command nginx to create this directory. Change into the newly created directory using cd nginx. Create a new file named default.conf for your Nginx configuration. You can do this with a command like touch default.conf. Open default.conf in your preferred text editor. In the default.conf file, define the server block for your reverse proxy. Set the listen directive to port 80. Add a location block to proxy requests to the desired backend service. For example, use proxy_pass http:// your _backend _ service port to specify the. Save and close the default.conf file after editing. Now, return to your terminal to run the Nginx container. Use the command docker run name Nginx reverse proxy $pwd /default.conf etc /nginx/confd /default.conf p80:80 Nginx. This command maps your local configuration file to the appropriate directory in the container. The D flag runs the container in detached mode. To verify that Nginx is running successfully, type docker ps to check your running containers. You can also check the logs by typing docker logs Nginx reverse proxy. Open a web browser and navigate to http://. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the backend service responding. To make changes to your reverse proxy settings, simply edit the default.conf file and restart the Nginx container. You can restart the container using docker restart Nginx reverse proxy. This process allows for easy adjustments to your Nginx Congratulations, you have successfully installed Nginx in Docker for a local reverse proxy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.